Welcome to this business masterclass. If you are a creative entrepreneur or fashion designer, you have of clients telling you your work is too expensive, or felt the pressure to constantly drop your prices just to lock in a deal. Today, we are breaking down exactly why discounting is destroying your profit margins and how to implement a bulletproof pricing system that commands respect and attract premium customers who pay your full worth without arguing. The psychology of discounts. Let's start with the psychology trap of discounting. When you set a price at 50,000 naira and immediately drop it to 35,000 just because a client complains, you think you are being helpful, but in the client's mind, you just prove two dangerous things. First, that your original price wasn't honest. Second, that your prices are for debate. Discounting doesn't build loyalty. It trains your market to never pay you full price. A client who only buys because of a discount will always be the most demanding, the quickest to complain, and the first to expect free structural adjustments later. They change the offer. Number one, direct material cost. Every inch of fabric, lining, zipper, and thread. Number two, labor and overhead. What it costs to keep your workshop running, machines maintained, and operators paid for their time. And number three, your creative premium. This is your profit margin for your unique pattern drafting and design expertise. If your current prices only cover materials and basic labor, you don't have a business, you have an expensive hobby. Action steps and next steps. Review your current price list today. Stop giving instant discounts. Stand firm on your brand's value. Your action step today is to audit your current catalog. Look at the last 3 items you sold and calculate if you actually made a true profit after accounting for your time and overhead. The next time a client asks for a discount, practice standing firm. Change the offer. Don't slash your price. Thank you for tuning into this masterclass. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below with your biggest business takeaway, and turn on notifications